The Moody's Mega Math Challenge is organized by the Society for Industrial and Applied Mathematics and funded by the Moody's Foundation.
SIAM is basically a scientific and professional society, and we do a lot of activities, mostly publish journals, have conferences and things like that. But a part of SIAM's mission is outreach to the public. So at our annual meetings, we have community lectures that are intended for a general audience. And people have always said we should reach out to younger people. So this is a way to do that in partnership with an organization that's committed to mathematics, that's, really prepared to put up funding and support and work closely with them and follow a lot of suggestions and have good ideas.
So why do we care about encouraging students to excel in math? Well, we think it's impossible for individuals and businesses to compete and succeed in today's global market without a solid foundation of financial literacy and economic literacy.
The reason Moody's Corporation started this competition and the Moody's Foundation promotes it is first that we want to encourage students to think about careers in math, economics, and finance. And secondly, we want students to think about coming to work at Moody's. We want them to think about having jobs here as credit analysts, economists, and all sorts of risk management specialists.
There are real-world problems that are very important. The water in the Colorado River Basin is one, but actually very few of them can be solved. So if you have a homework and it says solve this quadratic equation, you can solve it, you write down a solution, that's a solution. It was very clear in the discussion of the problems that you cannot solve these problems. You can provide insights, you can give understanding, you can discuss choices and the consequences of choices. I mentioned in my speech that SIAM is interested in industrial and applied mathematics and encourage people to use mathematics to solve real-world problems in addition to advancing knowledge and understanding. I think this Mega Math Challenge gives very young students, these students are incredible at their age, to tackle real-world problems, understand the complexity, see how there's not one answer. It's not just solve this simple equation. It's a complicated problem, which they had to make choices about. That's what life is like. And I think the fact that there's no right answer and that they know they have to make simplifying assumptions is a big message. Because a lot of people who think about math, who don't know about it, say, well, what's the answer? And you have to learn to say, well, it depends on how you pose the problem.